Hey, what's going on, everybody? I have another Munchpak for y'all. So let's crack this one open and see what's in there. I've actually had this one for a few weeks and it's just kind of been sitting around, so I figured might as well do the unboxing and see what kind of tasty snacks we got from Munchpak. Alright. Here. See who packed it here. This is Munchpak, June 2019, featuring delicious snacks from Turkey, Japan, Mexico, and more. Check that out. It's pretty cool. And it's got a little pamphlet of snacks. Oh, sweet. It says, thanks for being a loyal customer. Free bonus gift inside. Okay, I wonder what it is. That's cool. Thank you. Alright, let's see what we got. Let me just give you a sneak peek before we continue. Alright, just a sneak peek, so. Boom, there it is. Alright. Okay, so the free gift is like a rubber straw, looks like, from Munchpak. So that's pretty cool. It's kind of useful. Not bad, huh? Alright, so I'm going to save that one for later. Now, first snack I have actually already opened up. So that's kind of weird. Well, that sucks. So they don't have the labels on these anymore, so I guess that's why they included the pamphlet. Alright, so I gotta figure this out. So these are from the Netherlands. Crocky paprika chips. Alright, now I'm gonna see, let's see how they taste like. A little stale because they've been opening the box for a couple of weeks. I'm sure they taste really well when they're fresh, but I'm not sure what the deal was there, but it came cracked. So I might have to get in touch with Munchpak, see what the deal is, because I mean, it was cracked at the bottom, so I don't know. I don't know. That's disappointing. Alright, moving on. We have Italian red meat flavor Lay's. Okay, they're not from Italy, that's for sure. So these are from China. A blend of hearty tomato and meat flavor in a crunchy, salty potato chip like you've never experienced before. Okay. There it is. I guess if it's red meat, I guess it's beef, hopefully. So I'll finish some of these chips from the Netherlands that fell out. Alright, moving on. Sticking with the salty snacks, we have Cheeto shots. Flaming hot. So these Cheeto shots are from Mexico, and they're cheesy crispy bites with a hint of lime flavor that starts off mild and finishes with a flaming hot kick. Okay, let's see. They're tiny. They're good. Here's a better view of them. Right there. Well, they weren't lying. They are flaming hot because it's like my tongue's on fire. Alright, so let's see if I can find something to cool this down. Alright, I have a cat snack. Oh, boy, that's hot. Whew. It's good though. So this is a cat apricot. Oh my god. Puff pastry with a delicious apricot fruit filling from Turkey. Alright, so hopefully that will cool down the flames that are happening in my mouth right now. Holy crap, that was hot. Should have brought some water. So the pastry looks kind of like that. All right. Oh my God. All right, well, let's try that again because the flaky part was in the front. So let's see how the apricot filling tastes. Actually really good. I like it. It's actually not as sweet as you think it is. It's a bit on the not so sweet side, but you can taste the apricot flavor. And I kind of like that. I don't like it when it's overly, overly sugary, All right, so continuing with sweets, we have Fab Vanilla. Now, these are from India. They're vanilla flavored cookies. So let's see. They taste like. Here in the description it says they're crunchy chocolate chip cookies sandwich, deliciously sweet vanilla cream filling, best enjoyed with a glass of milk. Cool. So let's see here. There's the cookie. There's the chocolate chips, and there's the filling. Kind of see that right there. So let's see. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. Alright, moving on. We have chocolate cupcake with chocolate flavored cream filling. This is from Israel. There you go. It says hybrid between a chocolate cookie, a muffin, and a cupcake. Soft and fluffy with a rich chocolate center. So let's give this one a whirl. All right. Wow. Look at that. There it is. I see what they mean because it looks just like a muffin. So let's take a piece of this. Okay, there we go. Here's the little chocolate filling right there. It's soft, it's chewy. Not an overpowering chocolate flavor, which is what I like. And the filling's tasty as well. So I like this one. This one's pretty good. Alright. Continuing on with the chocolate theme, we have rich chocolate and crispy pretzel sticks. There you go. Now these are from Thailand. Okay, they're made by Lottie. So there you go. You got the little package right there. Actually comes with 2 of these. There you go. Let's try one of these right here. Okay. So I just took a piece of this, like a regular pretzel stick filled with chocolate. Yeah, you can definitely taste a little bit of the vanilla and a little bit of the chocolate. And again, it's not overpowering. So it actually tastes really good. I'd recommend this. Alright, so next we have from China, Tora Oodles. Tangy, tangy, fruity chews. There you go. I would have never guessed this is from China, but okay, let's keep on going. Okay, so these are little bits right here. See that in my hand right there. Yeah. Yeah, it's weird because it doesn't have, like, if you look at this, it says made in China, but it says Belgium on the back, but then like the front it doesn't look like Chinese, it looks like it's from Israel. So, I don't know, you be the judge. There you go. It's not bad. It's not something I would get on a regular basis. It's more for like, it looks like for a younger audience. Alright, so we have Trululu Sabores. Where are these from? It's gotta be, let's find out here. Oh, Colombia. Okay, okay, so they're little gummy chews. There you go. Try that. Okay, let's try this one. It's good. It's not too sweet, not overpowering. Yeah, that was a blue one. That one's really good. Let's try a different fry, like one of these. Yeah, same. Decent flavor, not overpowering. It's good. All right, and to wrap this up, we've got Crown Sekum Dalcum assorted flavors from South Korea. These appear to be like lemonade chews. All right, so let's see. All sorts of flavors in this box. We have, we have hot, we have paprika, we have kind of sweet. So let's see what this lemon or lemonade flavor is like. Hopefully it's good. It's chewy. It's really, really chewy. Oh, there goes the sour. Oh, man. Woo. Man, there is definitely a huge selection in flavors in this box. Okay, so that was pretty sour. So, a little bit of a different format from Munchpak because, I noticed that there was no card in here to say who packed it, because in the boxes that we had in the past, we had a card from each person that packed it. So we had last one, for example, I believe Nick packed it, so that was cool. So you can kind of give them credit or a shout out on the video, but that's all right. So and also as far as the snacks is concerned, we have kind of a booklet that shows you where all the snacks came from and the flavors and all that good stuff. Now in the past you would have a of course the sticker will say here's one from Poland or Turkey or whatever, and you'll know right away, whereas in this one you kind of have to go in here and look. So I was really not prepared for this to be this way, but regardless, it's still good, and I'm still going to continue getting Munchpak, and I think it's still a good deal. And I'm going to go ahead and leave my promo code in the description box below. So if you want to get your own for a good discount, I definitely suggest you do this, because I'm going to keep getting these. I believe this is one of my favorite snack boxes that's available at this point, because they ship you a good variety. They ship you stuff rather fast, and you're going to consistently get a good value. The only thing I was disappointed with this one is, of course, the chips in the beginning being open, but I'm sure they'll take care of that at some point. So that's not a deal breaker for me. Anyways, that's it for this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.